Okay, thank you very much for today we will discuss about the embryology of endocrine system. In the endocrine system we will have six main types. The six main types we will discuss here is include the pituitary gland. We will discuss about the pineal glands, adrenal glands, thyroid glands, how they develop, and we will discuss the development of all of the following development of each and every one of these ones. And I am KamiL EsmaiL. So welcome. I will try to make it short and the most precise as possible. So welcome. Welcome everyone. This time we will discuss about the development of pituitary gland, the embryological development of pituitary gland, or sometimes known, it's also called, this pituitary gland is also known as hypophysis cerebri. Hypophysis cerebri. It's also called hypophysis cerebri. The hypophysis cerebral pituitary gland is developed from two separate sources. But first of all, let us differentiate the two pituitary glands: anterior pituitary gland and the posterior pituitary gland. Anterior pituitary gland is also known as adenohypophysis. Hypophysis is the other name for pituitary gland. Adeno means anterior. The posterior pituitary gland is also known as neurohypophysis. It's neuro where it develops. You will see each where it comes the name. So anterior pituitary gland has three sources, three different types: pars anterior, or sometimes known as pars distalis, pars intermedia, and pars tubularis. These are the three very important parts of action. So these are the three types of action about the three types of anterior pituitary gland or adenohypophysis. Posterior is sometimes neurohypophysis, has two parts. This is actually pars posterior, sometimes known as pars nervosa, and also a fundibulum, which is the stalk which connects what you will see actually the graph, or the graph for the fundibulum is a stalk which of the hypophysis cerebri, which connects the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland. This is very important, by the way. So I will make it so short, so precise, so easy to understand with both smallest minimum time. So this, let us say this, I'm not good in drawing, but I think this will help you to remember things easily. So base, let us say this is the base of the brain, diencephalon. Will be actually about the floor of diencephalon, and also which downgrows and also this, let us say this is the roof of mouse, stomatium. There is upgrowth for this is a Raskes pouch. So pituitary gland or hypophysis cerebri develop from these two graphs: the downgrowth of diencephalon, or the roof. This is like the roof, by the way, not the roof but the floor, by the way. The floor of diencephalon downgrows, and the roof of stomatium, which is the upgrowth. This is downgrowth, upgrowth. This is upgrowth, and this is downgrowth. This is the floor of what? Diencephalon, the base of the brain. And also actually about this is actually the roof of mouse, which is stomatium, Raskes pouch. This Raskes pouch, pars anterior and the pars posterior. Pars anterior and like you have seen, anterior pituitary gland contains three types: anterior, pars intermedia, and pars tubularis. These are three anterior pituitary glands, and these two are pars anterior and the pars posterior, or sometimes nervosa, and infundibulum, or the stalk of hypophysis cerebri. How they differentiate? This Raskes pouch, which is the outgrowth of what? Upgrowth of what? Upgrowth of the floor, the roof of what? The roof of the mouse or stomatium. Differentiate into two types. It differentiates into pars intermedia and the pars what? Pars anterior. Pars intermedia, and the pars anterior. What is this? These are actual anterior pituitary glands: pars intermedia and the pars intermedia and the pars anterior. They differentiate from the Raskes pouch, like you have seen. The pars anterior and pars intermedia, they are from where? Raskes pouch. What about the downgrowth of the floor of diencephalon? It differentiates into what? It differentiates into, like you have seen here, it differentiates into Bars anterior and bars infundibulum. So diencephalon, the down growth of diencephalon will give off. It will give you bars posterior, and also infundibulum. These are what? Bars posterior and infundibulum. They are posterior pituitary gland. So we have two. What's remaining? One. So these two develop from the down growth of the floor of what? The floor of diencephalon or the base of the brain. What about this ones? It developed from the rascal pouch, which is what? The upgrowth of what? The upgrowth of the roof of the mouth, or sometimes on the stomatium. And this is actually about 2 and the 2. What's remaining? Bars tubularis up to the end. At the end, actually about the end, the rascal pouch, which you see the upgrowth separates from. You should see this one. It will separate from that of the mouth of the roof of the mouth or stomatium. So the remaining which is the rascal pouch, which separates from the roof of the mouth, connects with the down growth of the rascal pouch. This forms what? This forms bars tubularis. This is all about the differentiation and the development of what? The the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is also known as hypophyse cerebri. Hypophyse cerebri can be correspond to 2 anterior pituitary gland or adenohypophysis, and the posterior, what we call, because posterior pituitary gland, sometimes neurohypophysis. Why? Because it developed from the base of the brain or diencephalon. Anterior pituitary gland contains 3 bars anterior, bars intermedia, and bars tubularis. What about posterior pituitary gland? It develops from both bars posterior, infundibulum and infundibulum of stalk, and its parts actually 2 parts. These parts are posterior, which is bars nervosa and infundibulum. So how they differentiate into 2 very important parts: the upgrowth of actually the roof of the mouth, sometimes known as stomatium, and also which is sometimes known as rascal pouch, which differentiate into 2 types, which bars intermedia and bars anterior or bars distalis, and the base of the brain, diencephalon, the floor of the base of the brain down growth will give you so actual bars posterior and infundibulum. These are 2 posterior pituitary gland, and these are 2 anterior pituitary gland. What's remaining? Bars tubularis. Bars tubularis develop when, and at the end of the stage, the rascal pouch separates from here it was actually about the roof of the mouth. It separates from the roof of the mouth and connects with the down growth of the floor of diencephalon. So it forms about the anterior pituitary gland. This is how things develop. So this thing is developed. This is, I think, hypothalamus, the stalk of hypophysis cerebri, which connects the hypothalamus with the anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary gland. And here is actually, I think here is bars tubularis, bars anterior, and here is actually about bars intermedia, and here bars anterior pituitary gland, and this posterior pituitary gland. The connection between them is called the clefts. This is all about actually about this the shortest possible way for the development of pituitary gland. I think this is all. Let us see the slides.